You can't make a video nowadays without putting it onto multiple platforms. Landscape for YouTube, portrait for TikTok, and square for LinkedIn. But manually resizing and cropping videos can take a really long time, especially if you have thousands of them. Eesh. This is where Cloudinary comes in by letting you resize videos just by writing a few lines of code. Repurposing an existing video for YouTube Shorts or Instagram posts is a great way to expose content to a wider audience. But all these platforms expect videos to be in different sizes and aspect ratios. Cloudinary not only gives you the ability to change the aspect ratio of any video, but it can also automatically change the focus of the main subject so it doesn't get cut off after resizing. Let's go through exactly how to do this in a Next.js application using the Next Cloudinary library. We'll start by uploading a video to Cloudinary, then copy the public ID. Then in our application, let's add the ID to a variable since we're going to be using it a lot for this example. Just so we can check the video is working, we'll import the CldVideoPlayer component along with its CSS, then add a CldVideoPlayer component with the source of our video ID. And just like that, our video shows up. Let's make a square version of the video by adding a transformation prop with an aspect ratio set to 1:1 and a crop of fill, which will resize our video to fit our new dimensions. And this alone is enough to give us a nice square video. But you'll notice when I refresh the page, the thumbnail is in the original aspect ratio, which is something we definitely don't want. Let's fix that by adding an aspect ratio prop to our player with a value of, you guessed it, 1:1. We'll also give our square video a unique ID, which can be anything you want, so that Cloudinary treats them as separate videos. Nice. This is much better. Adding a portrait video follows the same process using 9:16. This works really well, but about 16 seconds into it, the lady's hand gets cut off, which isn't the effect we're after. So let's change that by first creating a new video variable and adding a gravity of auto. And you can see if we play the video side by side, the one with the gravity has the lady more in frame. Nice! Of course, if you wanted to resize based on width and height instead of aspect ratio, you could do that as well. Sweet! Now that you know how to crop and resize videos, in the next video, we're going to learn how to improve video streaming by using something called adaptive bitrate streaming.